I welcome everybody where they watch me on our welcome to one-on-one TV. As it be like say Daddy Freeze, he don't tire about Tonto Dikeh and Kpokpogri matter. Now what make can now come outside they talk about the whole drama where they happen between these two people. And I know say for some weeks now so this man go come outside talk saying Tonto Dikeh carry in car. The guy say go come outside saying they won't post in nude. The guy talk say he don't do. See as he big Kpokpogri go spoil the show for this girl. Say later if she won't marry, she no go see anybody marry you. Say make Kpokpogri take in time. Stop to they behave like this. My viewers, I beg. Make her join me watch.
Prince Kpokpo, please. This woman has been through a lot. She has been through a lot. If you ever loved her before, just let some things go. This one way you don't they do live video. They give us content steady. We know they run out of content throughout this period. We know they run out of content. No, they give us too much content like that. Just let it slide. Because if I remember throughout the relationship, she kept your face hidden. And now I understand when Tonto, next time, you are spoiling this market for the next person that will date Tonto. That person 6 years in, you know, go smell Instagram. Anytime Tonto won't talk about her, she go just put shadow. So, don't spoil the market for the next person that is coming along.
In fact, for the first time, me I support Daddy Freeze for this one. We don't beg you, tires. I beg, forgive this auntie. Let this matter to sleep. This guy no one agree. He just they come and today go bring her this one, tomorrow go bring her this one. But God, if say you claim say you really love this guy, by now on her two go don't go on a separate ways in peace. She go her own way, you go her own way. So all this while when her two they come and say this one go post, they do you no even need. I mean, I don't even they feel for this girl. Because the next man will go enter this girl. In fact, the kind of screening where you go through. In fact, before this girl go even post you online, say, I date you go even suffer. You go even wonder, say, are you even cover her to get to this extent? Because people like say, all the whole man where she know the girl look. And say, Tonto, I get one simple advice for you. If you want follow another man, no even go Nigeria place because it be like say you know girl look. Maybe now in both people go they follow person will be say go they worship you. Because people like say all the whole Nigerian man where they follow, all of them they carry drama. As you they carry and give them, now so them say they carry their own come. Man, until this whole matter, me I don't talk about. Making and let this whole thing die. But now I know say if you dey house, you go the reason and say, if say you know it, you for just follow your church, you dead. Now what me they talk say the devil you know, I mean the angel you know is better than the devil you don't know. Because now she go the reason and say she get this kind calm man that time, but she the reason say the man do this or the man a 40 seconds man. And at this time that the freeze now come as I can't interview you. Now you see as it be. But see when you claim say him no be 40 seconds, you they see the kind agreement, the kind fight when they carry can't give you. Now you go the wish say, oh, if say you know, you never even follow this guy. But I hope say as Kpokpo what do they call that the freeze don't come as I can't talk this one. I hope say Kpokpogri go here. Maybe as an elderly person for the entertainment industry they talk, maybe by now, he go calm down, he go forgive her. At least forgive her. Look sympathy on her and you self Tonto return the motor. Make we know say nothing link on her two together. Make we know so on her don't part ways. It be like say you self, you just even like fight. Anyway, my viewers, I hear this one. Now make her bring and come. Make her stay tuned for our next story.